I'm the noodle queen because I ate more than her.
So you're on your seconds now, right, Noodle Queen?
Yeah. But I got more than Rowan.
Yeah, you did. Well, I gave you more the first round too, because you're the Noodle Queen.
So I eat more. The princess has less duties on eating noodles. I have a lot of duties on eating noodles.
Well, you are the queen after all. Rowan, what are you again?
I am Nala. You're the noodle princess, right?
You're a noodle?
Rowan, can you do this?
Perfect.
Put it up like that. And then let it go like that. Good! No, I learned how to salute.
Cool.
No, are you so adorable? Raise your hand if you're super cool. Raise your hand if you're good. No, Dad. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're a stinker. No. She just said no.
You're not hungry anymore? Did my princess get full of noodles?
She didn't even finish it.
She ate a lot, though. Why don't you drink your juice and then you can be done?
No.
No juice even?
No. Are you so full? No. Yeah. Could you eat one more noodle? No. Okay, noodle princess. Prove that I'm the noodle queen.
Okay.